Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing residual power. Turn the PSU off at the rear and wait 30 to 60 seconds so capacitors drop. Once done, ground yourself. Wear a wrist strap or frequently touch the metal case to avoid static discharge that can damage the GPU. You then open the case and locate the PCIe GPU power connector, S. Identify whether they're 6-pin, 8-pin, or a 6+2 modular pair, because that determines the latch type you'll release next. Now you release the connector latch. Find the small plastic tab on the GPU side plug and press or lift it depending on the clip design, because those latches lock to prevent accidental removal. With your thumb on the tab, support the connector body with the other hand and pull straight out. Steady, even force prevents bending pins. If the plug feels stuck, wiggle it gently while holding the latch depressed. Do not yank the cable by the wires, since that risks loosening soldered joints or breaking the connector. Finish by inspecting both the cable plug and GPU power socket. Look for bent pins, melted plastic, or scorch marks, because visible damage means you should not reconnect. If you plan to reattach the cable, make sure it seats fully and you hear or feel the latch click, and route the cable to avoid strain. If the GPU fails to power after reassembly, try a known good cable or alternate PSU connector, and test the PSU rail. Those steps isolate whether the cable, GPU, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.